Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're a computer science student, you've probably wondered, which programming languages should I learn? And what web development skills really matter? In this video, I'll give you a roadmap you can follow. Let's get started. First, let's talk about programming languages. Start with Python for AI and automation, C++ for problem solving, Java for enterprise and Android apps, and JavaScript for web development. Mastering these four languages builds a strong CS foundation. Web development is a skill every CS student should have. Start with HTML and CSS, the foundation of every website. JavaScript for interactivity. Front-end frameworks like React or Angular. Back-end basics, Node.js or Django. Databases, MySQL, MongoDB. Why these skills matter? Programming languages build your foundation as a CS student, but web development makes you job-ready. Most internships and entry-level jobs expect you to know at least HTML, CSS, JS, and one back-end language. Even if you don't want to be a web developer, these skills help you understand how the internet works. Some quick tips: contribute to open-source projects on GitHub. Join hackathons to practice team coding. Don't just learn, build. Even small projects count. Keep updating your skills because tech changes fast. So to recap, learn Python, C++, Java, and JavaScript for strong fundamentals. Then move into web development with HTML, CSS, React, Node.js, and databases. Combine these skills with projects, and you'll be far ahead as a CS student. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more CS tips and guides.